Hi, and welcome to the NC OneMap Geoportal. In this video, we're going to show you the different ways that you can search for data, refine your results, investigate individual data items, and make use of those data items in your project. So let's get started. NC OneMap provides two different ways for you to begin searching for data. The first of which is the search bar located at the top of the home page. And much like Amazon or Google, you can enter a single keyword, multiple keywords, or a phrase to search for information. Clicking in the search bar also provides a list of my recent searches, along with the ability to filter by type. Here I'm going to select NC Bio. And notice that I have two results given back to me. Alternatively, I can also search for data by theme. Notice that the NC Bio dataset was also returned, along with many more results. This is because I'm searching data for an entire category rather than by a specific keyword. I can also filter data that is returned to me using the options at the top, or using any of the filtering criteria on the left-hand side. Once we have our results narrowed down to a reasonable number, it's time to start looking at individual data items to see if we want to use them. I'm going to select NC Bio. On this page, we can review a variety of information to determine if this is actually going to be useful to us or not. The map window at the top shows the extent of the data set, along with just a general idea of what the data will look like. I can also get a better idea of the data by reading the descriptive text or viewing the metadata. I can take a look of the attribute fields that are displayed and know if this information is going to be valuable to me when I need to query or do geoprocessing. I can also look at the data itself by clicking on the Data tab. Notice here when I go to download the data set, I'm only able to download the entire data set. But I'm able to narrow those results using the map or the attribute table. Notice how my feature count went down to 271. And now I have an option of downloading only the selected records. I can also do this using the attribute table. Here I'm going to use filtering to narrow those results. Again, I have the ability to only download the data set containing 6 records. If you have a data set that is only comprised of 300 or 400 records, this feature is not going to be of much value. But if you're investigating a data set such as parcels that has over 5 million records, you definitely want to try this if you have a small project area, because this will make your download faster and speedier. Of course, you also have the option of accessing them via web services. And this has the advantage of not having to keep up with data updates. If you are specifically interested in either getting data for parcels, imagery, or contour lines, you also have the option of directly downloading that data by county. This can also be accessed on the home page. And that's how you do it. It's very easy to search for data, narrow your results, and look at each one individually to determine if they will be useful to you or not. Please check out our other help items in the Resource Center to learn how you can take full advantage of the new NC OneMap Geoportal. And as always, we'd love to hear from you through our feedback forms. Select the correct one at the bottom of the home page and let us know what you think. And also, please remember to follow us on Twitter using @NC OneMap.